this is my 4-minute lentil and carrot soup, and it's delicious. So always taste your soup or anything you're making, just to make sure that the seasoning's right. That's my little tip for today. I'm gonna taste it, but it's really, really hot because it's just come off of the boil. Oh, that's good. Hope you try this one out because it is really cheap to make, and also it's ready in 4 minutes. So it will feed 6 people, a good helping. And if you want to know more, or you want to have more recipes, then take a look at my shop, and also hit that subscribe button so you get more videos. See you next time. Bye.